What's up, guys? This is Riley with BizNaz 101. In today's video, we will show you how to create and edit product tags in your Shopify store. You can find a link to this step-by-step guide below in the description of this video. Product tags are a valuable tool for your Shopify store. By utilizing product tags, you can improve your store's visibility, organization, and customer experience. To get started using product tags, log in to Shopify and navigate to the Products tab of your online store. For our example, we will use this perfume product. Next, scroll down to the tag section of your product shown in the right-hand dashboard. This is where you will create or edit your tags. To create a new product tag, click the input field and type in your preferred product tag. Then select the Add option just below. You can also choose an option from the list of your existing tags to save time, like so. You have now successfully added a tag to your Shopify product. For our product, we will add a new tag labeled perfume, as this is a perfume product. Now, we will show you what to do if you make a mistake. Want to edit or remove a product tag? Shopify does not allow us to edit product tags. Therefore, we will have to remove the tag and create a new one for the product. To remove a product tag, select the X icon to the right of the tag you'd like to remove, like so. Now that we have removed the misspelled tag, we must create the correct tag for the product. We will now input perfume without an S at the end and select Add Perfume. You can use this same method to create, edit, or remove product tags in your Shopify store, allowing for a better customer experience. That's all for this video tutorial. You can review the steps from this guide using the link below, or contact our experts at BizNaz 101 to handle your task. Thank you for subscribing.